To create options on the Square mobile app, start by opening the app and clicking on the Navigate tab at the bottom of the screen. Then, tap on the Options tab from the top bar and search for the security you want to trade on by entering the name or symbol of the stock or ETF in the search bar. For example, you can type in Amazon and select it from the search results. Next, select the strategy by clicking on the selected strategy option, choosing from options like call, put, vertical, or others. After selecting your strategy, choose the action by clicking on the Select Action link and picking from options like Buy to Open, Buy to Close, Sell to Open, or Sell to Close. Enter the quantity you want to trade, add the expiration date and strike price, and switch the strategy to call or put using the available options. Scroll down to find additional information, such as auto type, where you can select limit, market, or stop loss, and choose the timing, either day only or good till cancelled. The estimated cost of the trade will be displayed, and once you're satisfied with the details, click on the Review Order button at the bottom of the screen. This will give you an order summary of your options trade, so be sure to check that all the details are correct. After reviewing, scroll down and click on the Place Order button to submit your option trade on the app.